Yes, sir.
Okay, show me
Yes, sir.
your hand. Is it my voice audible? Okay. Yes. Look at the list of adjectives given below in the box. Which of them describe Nick Vujicic? Tick them. Now you have to give tick mark to the words, the adjectives to the quality of Nick Vujicic. If you see in the previous class, we discussed the positive is the quality of Nick Vujicic. So you have ticked it. Negative. This quality is not there in the Nick Vujicic lesson character. So you did not tick it. Optimistic. Optimistic means one who see positive side of the world. One who see only positive side, good side. That is called optimistic. You have ticked. Pessimistic. One who see negative side of the world, he is called pessimistic. Next you see. Next word, generous. Next word is generous. Yes, generous means, write down the meaning. Helpful to others. Helpful to others. In his life. Generous means helpful to others in his life. ఉదారమైన తెలుగులో ఉదారమైన గుణం. అడిగిన వాటికన్నిటికీ లేదనకుండా కాదనకుండా సహాయం చేసేవాడు అనమాట. జనరస్. ఏ హెల్ప్ఫుల్ పర్సన్, ఆల్వేస్ ఏ హెల్ప్ఫుల్ పర్సన్. Is this quality in Nick Vujicic or not? You decide. Finally, I ask you. First, I give meaning. Next, nervous. Nervous. Nervous.
Discourage.
Nervous means anxious, fearful. Anxious. ANXIOUS.
Courageous.
ANXIOUS. Anxious, fearful. Now I give meaning. Finally, you have to decide. When you are writing meaning, if you think it is the quality of Nick Vujicic, you tick them. Otherwise, leave them. Next one. Confident. Confident.
Courage.
Assured. ASSURED. Assured, brave enough.
Courageous. Courageous.
Courageous also. Confident. When we are confident, we become courageous.
No.
Okay. Now, smart. 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 This meaning, two types of meanings are there. Physically, we can say smart. He is a smart guy. Means stylish, fashionable.
Intelligent.
Write down. One meaning is stylish.
Intelligent, sir.
Fashionable. This is the physical quality. He looks very style, sir. He is a smart boy, sir. One more meaning is there. Smart kid. Ante one more meaning is showing intelligence. Intelligence. One more meaning is there. Intelligence.
Game right?
Any doubt? Intelligence. Physically smart means that boy looks very handsome. He's a smart kid. His ideas. This is He's intelligent boy. We have to understand. Next, sociable, friendly.
Willing.
Banu Teja, write down. Are you writing, Banu?
Yes, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sociable means friendly. Next word, cowardly. Cowardly. Okay. Cowardly. Fearful. Cowardly means fearful. Cowardly means fearful.
Brave. Opposite, sir.
Next, again the word courageous. Brave
Oh, brave, yes, sir. Brave.
or bold.
Hope. Nervous.
Brave, bold.
Nervous.
Next word, reliable.
Dependable.
Reliable.
Hope, sir.
నమ్మకం.
Yes.
Hope.
Trustworthy.
Hope, sir.
అంటే reliable. నమ్మదగిన అని
Hopeful.
చుట్టబట్టలు మాటలు మార్చడం అన్నమాట. Reliable person means if he talks today, he will talk forever the same word. He keeps on his words. Reliable. I think I have
Dependable.
given to my WhatsApp these meanings. Okay. Reliable.
Brave, sir.
Trustworthy. Not changing words anamata. If he says anything, he keeps on with that word. Independent. Tomorrow is an Independence Day. Yes, we are very unlucky.
Liberated.
Tomorrow's
We are away from the independent.
tomorrow's study.
Independent means liberated. 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 Or free. FREE. Liberated means you have been given freedom. Liberated means freedom. Okay. Next. Dependent. Weak, helpless. Dependent. Weak, helpless. Weak, helpless. Obedient.
Well behaved.
Obedient. Submissive. SUBMISSIVE. Submissive or well behaved. Or well behaved. Well behaved. Sai Raghu, are you writing? Next word. Trusting. Believing.
Hope.
Trusting, believing.
Hope.
Trusting, believing. Trusting means believing.
Hope, sir.
Valiant. Nowadays also shows
Heroic.
arrogant,
Exercise 1. Exercise A.
behave in a rude way. Behave in a rude, R-U-D-E, rude way or rough way.
Unpleasant way.
తప్పు
Here,
పెన్ను
rude way,
చేశాను ఇదేనా
R-U-D-E.
హిందీ ఎవడు చూస్తాడు చెప్పు
Varun, take down.
హిందీ వచ్చిన 9 గంటలకి
ఈరోజా
రోజు హిందీనే రాదా పిఎస్ రాదా టైం టేబుల్ పెట్టలేదా మీకే ఏ రోజు అని
అరవింద్
Who is talking there?
అరవింద్
Next, sarcastic. Sarcastic. Sarcastic means mocking in the speech. Mocking in the speech. అంటే వ్యంగ్యంగా. Rajkumar, are you 10th B? Rajkumar, give me your response. Rajkumar, today I give you one work. How many of your 10th B children are there in the class? You write their names and give me through your WhatsApp. Okay. How many attended the class? And their phone numbers also note down. Next. Quarrelsome. 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 Quarrelsome means attitude of fighting. Quarrelsome means attitude of fighting. Fighting attitude. కొట్లాడే మనసు. Quarrelsome. RUDE, rude.
Bad manner.
Rude means rough. Already word come. Arrogant.
Impolite. Impolite.
Rude means rough. Creative. Creative. Imagine it.
Imagination. Imagination.
Stubborn.
For imagination.
STINAT. Mondi. Telugu meaning. Obstinate.
Mundiga. Unreasonable.
Lazy.
Sir, disturbance.
Babu,
Disturbance, sir.
I made you mute all. Okay. Where are we? Stubborn means obstinate. OBSTINATE. Obstinate means mondi. తన మాటే నెగ్గాలనుకునే వాళ్ళు మొండి వాళ్ళు అన్నమాట. Obstinate. Next, lazy. 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 Inactive, dull. Lazy means inactive, dull. Idle. Ideally, what is the Bayana? What is that word? Idle. For which word? Ideal. For which word mute? Ideal you have written, Bayana. For lazy. Ideal. Ideal summary. Yes, you
yes,
can
sir.
write. Pompous.
Self-important.
Pompous.
Arrogant.
Yes. For pompous.
Boastful.
Yes. Boastful. Arrogant. గొప్పలు చెప్పుకునే వాళ్ళు. Boastful. BOAST. Boast. FUL. Boastful. BOAST. Boast. FUL. Boastful. BOAST. FUL. Boastful. One word. And arrogant. ARROGANT. గొప్పలు ఎక్కువగా చెప్పుకోవడం అన్నమాట తన గురించి. Level headed. This word also very important. Level headed. Sensible in making decision. Sensible. SENSIBLE. Sensible in making judgments. Sensible in making judgments. Sensible అంటే లెవెల్ హెడెడ్ అంటే బ్యాలెన్స్డ్ మైండ్ అని, మంచి నిర్ణయాలు తీసుకునేవాడు. లెవెల్ హెడెడ్ మీన్స్ బ్యాలెన్స్డ్ మైండ్ పీపుల్. ఇక్కడ ఇంకొకటి వచ్చింది, సెల్ఫ్ సెంటర్డ్. సెల్ఫ్ సెంటర్డ్ అంటే తనను గురించి మాత్రమే ఆలోచించుకునేవాడు. లెవెల్ హెడెడ్ అంటే బ్యాలెన్స్డ్ థింకింగ్, బ్యాలెన్స్ గా ఉండేవాడు. నౌ యు టిక్ the qualities of Nick Vujicic. Which qualities are suitable among these 27 words? What qualities are there in Nick Vujicic? You take them. You take the qualities. RUDE, rude means rough. ROUGH, rough. Rude means rough. Mondi, Telugu meaning. If you have any doubts, ask the meanings so that you can write. Today, children, again we have 9 o'clock, the same class. We continue. We will complete this vocabulary. Then we go for reading C. Actual ga lesson, it is important. Vocabulary, writing, exercise, these are important, not lesson. Lesson is apart, and these exercises, if you actively participate in these exercises, you can get knowledge. Optimistic means one who sees on the positive side of the life. One who sees on the positive side of the life. అంటే మన లైఫ్ లో మంచిని మాత్రమే తెలుసుకునేవాడు, మంచి వైపును చూసేటువంటి వాడు ఆప్టిమిస్టిక్. చెడుని తెలుసుకునేటువంటి వాడు, నెగిటివ్ వైపు ఉండేటువంటి వాడు పెసిమిస్టిక్. జీవితంలో మంచి జరుగుతుంది అని ఆశించేవాడు ఆప్టిమిస్టిక్. చెడు జరుగుతుందేమో అని ఆశించేవాడు, నెగిటివ్ సైడ్ ఉండేటువంటి వాడు పెసిమిస్టిక్. Okay, children. In first line, what words are you ticked? Positive, negative, optimistic, pessimistic, generous, nervous, confident, smart, sociable. What words have you ticked? You type them. Anybody? In that row, in that column, we say not row, column. First 9 words. What are the qualities Nick has? Optimistic, right? Generous, right? Positive, right? Optimistic, generous, positive. Confident, right? Sociable, right? Smart also you can write. Yes, right. Next, second row. Sociable, right? Second row. Valiant. Yes, valiant, courage. Valiant, courage. Independent, okay. Courageous, reliable, trusting, obedient. Yes, okay. Next, third one. Creative, okay. Yes, creative. Level-headed. Yes, level-headed. Okay, creative, level-headed. Okay. With that, we complete this part. Next, we move to this page. Yes, now what you have to do is, here attribute means quality. You have ticked some words. I think now that adjectives become more than 10 words and below 20 words. Is it right? Select any 10 words. What are the attributes of Nick Vujicic? Which qualities you like, you write them. Here you write. In the first column, you write the qualities. What qualities you like? You write. All of you write. Hey, Varun, don't sleep. This is morning time, ra. Varun. Yes, you write the words. Optimistic, okay. First one is optimistic. You can write. Next attribute, next quality. If you are generous, okay, generous, okay. Generous, okay. 2 words completed. Optimistic, generous. Sociable, okay. Optimistic, generous, sociable, okay. Optimistic, generous, sociable. Valiant, brave. Very good. Valiant, brave. 4 words completed. You write down in that one textbook. Confident. Yes, 5th one, confident. Confident. Where is it in confident? Ah, yes, first one. Confident you can write. Obedient. Okay. Obedient. Okay, write down. Yes, obedient also important. Independent. Okay, very good. Independent. Trusting. Yes. Trusting. Creative. Yes. Creative. You can write. Courage. Yes. Why here? Valiant also same meaning of courage. So that's why you can write valiant. In the same box you write valiant bar courage. Valiant bar courage. Valiant also it says that. Confident also we have written, boys. Yes. Level headed. Yes. Balanced mind. Yes. Now you see these 9 words completed or not. Write the words. First one is, I hope you wrote optimistic. First you write optimistic. Next generous, confident, sociable. 4 words completed. Independent, obedient, trusting, valiant or valiant, creative. Among these, you write all those words. How many words come you write down? You write here. You write here. I think majority of the people have written positive first word. Is it right? Positive. Yes. Now what you have to do is example from the text. What is there here? Here, you see here. Example from the text. You have given one attribute. Nick has positive thinking attitude. What is the sentence, example sentence from the lesson? You go back to the lesson. In this lesson, which sentence says that he is a positive thinking person? In this sentence, I am showing the page also. In this sentence, here you can search. Here and here you can search. And even here also you can search. Here also. Here also. Here parents are positive. Here parents are positive. Why parents are positive? Why parents are positive? They have some kind of confidence on their boy. Here and here Nick life. From Nick life. Here and here. Page number 4 and page number 5. Yes. What sentence do you write? And write on your chart box. No problem. Whatever sentence you write, I make a small correction. If it is right, I will say we go for it. Yes. Now you write a sentence to that one. Pause. Already positive is completed. Optimistic. Now we are in optimistic. Optimistic. Yes, optimistic also. Right from the